Welcome back. No more drink and drive. Traffic police has initiated intense drive against the intoxicated and indisciplined drivers. Goa Traffic Police since 21st July has booked 594 such drivers. In a surprise check on 15th August night, Panji Traffic Police have booked 26 drivers for driving under the influence alcohol. Goa Traffic Police has decided to be strict and hard on drunken drivers and has borrowed alcohol meters from other police stations.
Taking strong cognizance of rising cases of accidents due to drunken driving and concern expressed in the State Assembly, Goa Traffic Police has intensified their crackdown on drunken drivers across the state. Goa Traffic Police has till now booked 594 drunken drivers. On 15th August alone, Panji Traffic Police caught and booked 26 drivers for driving vehicles under the influence of alcohol.
For the last 26 days, we have been doing an intensive drive of drunken driving. That is the use of alcometer on drunken driver. And we have booked around 594 cases in these 26 days, out of which just last night we have booked, on the night of 15th August, we have booked around 26 cases.
Traffic Police earlier was unable to conduct such a drive against drunken drivers due to unavailability of alcohol meters. PI of Panji Traffic Police Dharmesh Angle informed that they have borrowed the alcometers from different police stations to conduct their drive.
Some old alcometers were not in proper condition, but our counterparts, that is at the police station level, alcometers were available. So we have now taken over their alcometers and we have started booking cases.
Dharmesh Angle further stated that once they get alcometers from the government, they will come hard on such drunken drivers.
More alcometers are coming. They are in the process of being acquired. So the moment they come, the drive will be intensified.
Against a general perception that tourists are mostly involved in drunken driving, PI Dharmesh Angle gave us surprising data. In almost 90% cases, Goans are involved.
Outsiders are also involved, but I think out of these cases, at least this traffic cell, Panji traffic cell, whatever cases we have booked so far, 90% of the cases are locals. We have booked locals.
The person who is caught will not be free after paying fine. This drive is going to take the offender to the task. Police will take the custody of the vehicle and the driver and register the case. Case will be heard before the court and vehicle will be released after the court verdict. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Sushant Pad for Prudent.
Goa BJP has found no representation in the party President Amit Shah's new team. BJP President Amit Shah on Saturday announced his 53-member new team of office bearers from 20 states including the newly formed Telangana. Shah has appointed 11 vice presidents, 8 general secretaries, 4 joint general secretaries of organization, 10 spokespersons and 5 Morcha presidents. Every BJP-ruled state has a representation except the Goa BJP. Watch report.
Goa and Manohar Parrikar though are close to Prime Minister Modi's heart. The case may not be so with the state BJP. Not a single state BJP leader could find a slot in Modi's confident Amit Shah's new team BJP. Many are surprised with the exclusion of Varun Gandhi and with him the Goa BJP too. BJP President Amit Shah on Saturday announced his 53 members new team of office bearers on Saturday. Have a look at Shah's the new team BJP. Uttar Pradesh got major slots. 10 representatives from UP following 9 from Delhi, 4 from Maharashtra and Bihar, 3 each representatives from Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Chhattisgarh. Remaining 2 representatives are from other states like Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Himachal Pradesh and the Rajasthan. Goa has been a lucky place for Modi since his regime as a Gujarat Chief Minister in 2002. Modi achieved crucial milestones while in Goa during the BJP Nation Executives on couple of occasions. Goa and Manohar Parrikar enjoy this special place and space in Modi's heart, but not the Goa BJP. Latest declaration from the party's national president and Goa's exclusion poses a question mark over party's confidence in the BJP's next-gen leadership in Goa and their capability to take over the role on the national canvas following Manohar Parrikar and Shripad Naik. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Nationalist Congress Party has demanded to take back all the agricultural land sold illegally for non-agricultural purpose. NCP alleged that lakhs of square meters of agricultural land have been sold for non-agricultural purpose over the years, and this is a bigger scam than mining. NCP also alleged that all the governments have been mum on this issue.
Nationalist Congress Party has raised the issue of illegal sale of agriculture tenancy land for non-agricultural purpose. NCP alleged that ignoring the related law, lakhs of square meters of agricultural land has been sold for non-agricultural purpose over the years. Attacking on Manohar Parrikar government, NCP spokesperson Trujano de Mello said that government is blowing up the mining scam just to hide this bigger scam.
No land purchased by a tenant under this chapter shall be transferred by sale, gift, exchange, mortgage, lease or assignment without the previous sanction of the government. Now, just have a look as to what was the purpose of the land, that spirit of that act, so that those farmers who were already cultivating for some years, that they may cultivate it and become the owner, so that they continue to cultivate it.
Trujano de Mello said that government should make all efforts and must get back agricultural land. He also demanded that an inquiry should be initiated immediately.
There are enough laws that already exist, and with some minor amendments which fall within the purview of the Constitution, the land can be preserved. The biggest scam today that is there in Goa is not the mining scam. If anything has destroyed Goa, it is the agriculture land which was tenanted land has been sold left, right and center.
Talking on Cirula Comunidad land scam, Trujano de Mello said that many related files are missing. Hence, government should take land back and direct owners to prove their ownership.
Now you can see Cirula Comunidad, all files are missing. Take the land back. The fellow who is the owner has to prove his bona fides. I don't have to prove. They have to prove their bona fides.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.